Okay, so today there's no high impact news today. There is no high impact news today in the market. So we just go by technical analysis straight up. There's no high impact news. So it just goes straight up to our technical analysis. But let's see, do we have any impact news for this week? I think we are supposed to have FOMC. And I'm not going to lie to you, FOMC is going to be very, very crazy. Yeah. Yes, FOMC is on Thursday. Wednesday, I guess. Yes, Powell is going to talk. So is this week FOMC? No. But 6:30 p.m. on Wednesday, Powell is going to talk. But FOMC this week is going to be the next FOMC is going to be extremely crazy, right? Because Trump has started again. Trump has been saying that there is no need for saying that there's no need for Powell to increase the interest rates anymore. Okay, so that there's no need for Powell to increase the interest rate anymore and all that. So there has been a lot of backlash back and forth between Trump and Powell. So there's going to be high uncertainty. I mean, everybody knows that as Trump is the president now, there has been a lot of hula baloo, a lot of stress on the United States dollar. And dollar has been very, very volatile, extremely volatile. So whatever we are trading this time, we should all not don't trade without stop loss. Don't leave your trade for a long time and also learn how to scalp. Okay. So let's go to our charts. I've been looking at dollar, right? I've been looking at dollar for a while now, and I'm just trying to wrap my head around it because dollar has been dipping. Dollar has been falling for a very, very long time. So I'm just going to be using a simple strategy, which is just price action strategy. So this is going to be different from the ones I've been using before. So I'm just going to be using price action strategy for this afternoon. Okay, so let's go. First, we could see that this is the first day of the week. This is Monday, and dollar rejected this zone last week, rejected this resistance zone, which is 98.778 region last week. And on daily time frame, yeah. So for daily time frame also, we are still seeing the bearish pressure. And I think this is a replica effect or a ripple effect of the tariff war going on between US and China, right? So China has also retaliated and they are giving US 125 tariff. So, and there's a threat going on that most of those industries in US that Chinese, most of them are being produced from China, right? So the dollar has just been dipping and dollar has been falling for a very, very long time. Now, what is happening currently at this level? I am seeing absence of buyers, of sellers on US dollar indices. The only thing that could push more is if this zone is broken, right? So if you can see market is rejecting this resistance level. And if this zone 98.778 is broken, then we can see dollar going down the more, going down the more. And this is just in an effect of the tariff war or the trade war going on between US and China. So dollar is bearish at the moment. Dollar is currently bearish, right? Dollar is currently bearish, judging from this trend line, right? So you can see from here, dollar is bearish, but I would love to see a break above this trend line. So once I see a break above this trend line, then it will give me more reasons to buy US dollar. So I'm still waiting. As per this demand zone is very, very strong. You can see this is 50% of it. And a price could break below this demand zone. Please give me a minute. Give me a minute. Okay, sorry about that. So, well, if I'm to follow this, I'm going to say that dollar will still fall the more. So we look at selling some pairs like USD JPY, I mean USD CHF. I'm buying some pairs like Euro USD. Let's look at some Euro USD pair. That is some anti-dollar pair, right? Let's look at some anti-dollar pair. Now, what is Euro USD doing, right? So we need to understand what Euro USD is doing because Euro USD is the inverse of dollar. Euro USD is the inverse of dollar. And well, me personally, I would say that we need a proper retracement on this move. We need a proper retracement on this move. Yeah. So we need a proper retracement on that move. And weekly time frame, we are also approaching this high. This high, you can see market rejected it. So today is Monday. Today is Monday, and we all know that Monday does not, market doesn't move as it is on Monday, right? Market doesn't move like that on Monday. So weekly time frame, we have rejections also on daily time frame. On daily time frame, also, we also have this negative rejection last week. I would love to see sellers coming in for Euro USD, but today we are still seeing presence of buyers. We are still seeing presence of buyers, and especially market approaching this strong resistance zone. So there is no signal at the moment for me on Euro USD. There's no signal at the moment. The only signal I could say is if we have this level, this is a test. Maybe we can do a short buy. Can we do a short buy and take profit around here? First TP will be here at about 4 pips, and second TP will be around this area. Yeah, let's do that. Let's buy Euro USD now. Just a short buy. Um, so buy Euro USD now. Short buy. I'm not going to type it on the Connect Client group, but we can take it. Buy Euro USD now. SL, SL, SL is around, SL is around, SL is around 1.13667. 1.13667. TP1. Let's take TP1 to be 1.14410. 1.14410. Let's just take this. So let's take it. Let's see how it goes of 15 minutes time frame. Let's see how it goes because, I mean, let's see how it goes. But please use a small lot size. Don't use a bigger lot size at the very moment. Okay, so for gold, this is gold, right? And gold has been very bullish. Gold has continued its bullishness. But then the problem I'm having with gold is at an all-time high. So the retracement can be at any time. But then I see something very crucial here. We're having a retest on this, so which means that gold might continue its bullishness. So gold might continue its bullishness, but I'm expecting some resistance around here. There's no entry for me also on gold. We'd have entered the buy, but there's no entry at the moment because market is very close to this resistance zone, except if you want to risk, the market. No, it's too high. So gold is also bullish too, though. Gold is also bullish, but there's no entry for me at that level. Euro NZD. Euro NZD, yeah. I'll be bullish on Euro NZD. Okay. gonna have a rejection at this support level, this level, 4 hours time frame. So for 4 hours time frame, I'm still seeing some level of bias here. Okay, so just a minute, I want to zoom it out. So now this is a strong support zone, and we are having some set of bias here. But the only issues we are having here is we have a breakout structure, and market is at this supply entry. So also for Euro NZD, there is no entrance for me because market is approaching this zone. It can tap into this level and fall. But then we have something around here, right? And this is a supply zone. So market can tap into this and start falling. So there's no entry for me also on Euro NZD. We've done gold. Let's look at GBP NZD. I saw a buy on GBP NZD earlier, but the only problem I'm having is, okay, yeah, we can take this. Yes, we can take GBP NZD. Yes, buy GBP NZD now. Buy GBP NZD now. Now, SL 2.24580. Okay, TP1 2.25060. TP2 2.25800. Okay, so that is that for VPNZ. I mean, this is a good trade. So you can enter it now. I want to drop it on our funded client view. Okay, so I think that is that for today. That is that for today. 2.25300. Okay, so if you enter the trade, you should be in profit. It's moving very, very fast. It's moving very, very fast. You should be in profit if you enter the trade. NZDJPY. Okay, so the last one for today is NZDJPY. So NZDJPY, NZDJPY. I mean, NZDJPY. Hmm. Okay, so for NZDJPY, right, we are approaching this supply zone. I would love to see a retest on this level before I buy. So that's just my analysis. I love to see a retest before buying NZDJPY. So we sell to buy scenario. Yeah, sell to buy scenario. 83.694. I'd love to see a rejection here before I buy. Okay. So that's that for NZJPY. I think all JPY pairs will do the same. All JPY pairs should do the same. Oh, Euro USD. I said it because, okay, so we can change the Euro USD to sell stop. We can change the Euro USD to sell stop. USD card is a good one. Um, yes, I see this also. We can take a buy on USD card. Okay, okay. So USD card, buy now, USD card. USD card, SL, SL 1.38375, CP1, 1.39195, CP2, 1.39605. Okay, so I'm pasting it on the funded client group. So if you are not there, kindly fund your account to join the funded client group. Okay, so I dropped two signals right now. I dropped GBP, NZD, and USD card. So let's see what the market will do. Thank you very much for your time. Have a wonderful trading session. Good afternoon.